Hack 22. Use contact paper on the edges of drawers to make cleaning simpler. Hack 23. Install PVC pipes on the wall to hold your hairdryer and flat iron. Hack 24. Apply baby oil to chrome items to keep them looking shiny. Hack 25. Use a magnetic knife strip inside drawers to keep metal tools organized. Hack 26. Add a waterproof Bluetooth speaker to your shower. Hack 27. Put denture tablets in your toilet. No need to scrub. Hack 28. Mount a low-coat rack for kids' towels or robes. Hack 29. Use a clear hanging makeup bag to keep daily items tidy. Hack 30. Wrap hot tools in a pot holder so you don't have to wait for them to cool. Hack 31. Place a water bottle in the toilet tank to save water. Hack 32. Roll towels and place them in a wine rack for a spa-like look. Hack 33. Use waterproof labels to keep bottles organized. Hack 34. Keep a vinegar and soap scrub brush in the shower. Hack 35. Use an over-the-door organizer for bath toys. Hack 36. Add silica gel packs to drawers to stop moisture from building up. Hack 37. Place a small basket near the sink for hair ties or jewelry. Hack 38. Use suction hooks to hang razors or shower caps. Hack 39. Store towels vertically in magazine racks. Hack 40. Attach Velcro strips inside cabinet doors for small tools. Hack 41. Clean grout with baking soda and a toothbrush. Hack 42. Use an egg carton to store nail polish upright. Hack 43. Install a shelf above the door for extra storage. Hack 44. Shine faucets using a shoe shine sponge. Hack 45. Cover open bottles with plastic wrap before traveling. Hack 46. Place a bar of soap in drawers to keep them smelling fresh. Hack 47. Hang a file organizer for small towels or masks. Hack 48. Use baking soda weekly and drains to prevent clogs. Hack 49. Use dollar store trays to organize drawers. Hack 50. Label your bottles with waterproof chalk tags. Hack 1. Put a magnetic strip inside your cabinet door to hold tweezers, nail clippers, and bobby pins. Hack 2. Use command hooks on your bathroom walls to hang loofahs, razors, or small baskets. Hack 3. Wrap a rubber band around the neck of a pump bottle to control how much comes out, less waste, more savings. Hack 4. Put a tension rod under the sink to hang spray bottles and free up more storage space. Hack 5. Use an old toothbrush to clean hard-to-reach areas like faucet bases and tile grout. Hack 6. Fill a soap dispenser with diluted shampoo or body wash to make your products last longer. Hack 7. Keep a squeegee in the shower and wipe down the walls after each use. No more soap scum. Hack 8. Place clear plastic shoe organizers on the back of your door for extra storage space. Hack 9. Add a few drops of essential oil inside your toilet paper roll. Every time you spin it, it gives off a fresh scent. Hack 10. Hang eucalyptus from your shower head. The steam releases the oils, giving you a natural spa feel. Hack 11. Put small magnets on the side of your vanity to hold tweezers, scissors, or nail files. Hack 12. Store Q-tips and cotton balls in mason jars with flip-top lids for easy access and a clean look. Hack 13. Use a dollar store spice rack as a vertical organizer for perfumes or skincare products. Hack 14. Tired of foggy mirrors? Rub a little shaving cream on the mirror, then wipe it clean. It won't fog for days. Hack 15. Place a lazy Susan under the sink to easily reach products in tight spaces. Hack 16. Use binder clips to hold toothbrushes inside drawers or stand them upright. Hack 17. Install a second shower rod to hang baskets with shampoos, sponges, and bath toys. Hack 18. Use a cereal container as a waste bin. It's sleek, clean, and easy to rinse. Hack 19. Keep extra toilet paper rolls inside decorative baskets or vases for style and storage. Hack 20. Clean your shower head by soaking it overnight in a plastic bag filled with vinegar. Hack 21. Use peel and stick LED lights under shelves for better visibility without any wiring.